Lateral leg lowers are a great core exercise that specifically work the obliques. So the first thing that you'll need is something heavy that you can hold on to. I'm using a metal column in the gym here. You could also use a very heavy dumbbell or kettlebell behind your head. So you're gonna scoot forward, reach your arms back, hold on to that heavy object, and you're gonna bring your legs straight up into the air. From this position, you're gonna lower both legs slowly and under control down to one side, and then use your core strength to bring them back up to the middle. Then you're gonna lower them to the opposite side and come back up to the middle. You'll notice a big exhaling breath through your mouth at the time you're bringing them from the bottom to the top is a good help. You wanna let as much of your core do the work as possible and just use your hands to stabilize. So going side to side. And that is how you do lateral leg lowers.